Hello, how you guys doing? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. This is a brief for the DXY, and this chart is not updated for some reason. I don't know why. What's wrong with the stockcharts.com? But this is the updated one, and we settled the day at this number right here. Okay, 91.38 for the DXY. Good deal. So we had amazing price expansion to the upside. It's very obvious. Let's go back to the stock charts and assume it's updated and try to memorize this move. Sorry. Okay, let's do that one now. Okay, so we assumed five waves down, A, B, C, 3, extended flat. It became 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. And I said last time, I think we concluded the second wave, big one. And I said 1, 2. I made a lot of mistakes in the past, but so far this one is doing very well. So 1, 2, minute 3, and we are now right here, right at the seller's point, right here, 38. Okay, so this is the registration of third wave, the official one, like the third of three, the big aggressive one, impulsive one. So we don't know if it's gonna happen, but we just play by the book. We look at the text and we play by the rules. Okay. So why am I bullish? Third of three, and always a bullish MACD is always gonna get me bullish. If you just always just trade with the direction of the MACD, whether it's downside or upside, you increase the chances of making money. I never ever, and I said that in many of my videos in the past, I always, all the time, trade with a MACD. Even when I was disappointed right here, I said an evening star and a MACD is in bearish crossover, and I said it's very reliable. And I tried to guess the bottom. Here I failed. Then I put a lot of money right here in this area. And so far, so good. Thank you, God. Okay, so we talked about the idiot wave. Let's talk about conventional technical analysis. So this is a 1, 2, 3, waiting for the 3 reversal, which is right here. So we doing the broad and bottom. Okay, this is a beautiful. It's very obvious. It's very beautiful. Broad and bottom, downtrend line. We broke it for sure today. Memorize this. Whoa! Hopefully, the chart will be much better in the future. Okay, so we waiting for the 1, 2, 3 reversal, and this is an extremely bullish signal. So we have Elliott wave 33, and we have a conventional technical analysis, which is this bad boy. So hopefully for me and for the bulls, and we want this break to the upside very soon. So we will do, yeah, the third wave of three, the big one, and either wave, and a breakout in conventional technical analysis. Even though this is a breakout too, but this is going to be a comfortable change of direction. And these are some of the places of the sellers. And the sellers are gathering here now at the 200-day moving average. So this is going to be a very important point. As I said in the previous video, it could be like we could get a lot of sellings for 1 hour. You know how the USD is traded almost 23 hours a day, 5 days a week. So we could have a selling at 5 6 hours of that 23 hours, or maybe have a selling that we test the bottom of this one, which is 91.40. Okay, so we could peak Boom. And test this. Hopefully, successful test. Just for my sake, please. Okay. Then another wave up, impulsive wave. So, and this one also is a point of sellers right here. We are really at a place where the sellers gather. That's for sure. So we need to break this. Even though what happened today is very bullish because we broke out of this trend line and we succeeded in closing above the 50-day moving average. This is the 50-day moving average. And it's always, always, always bullish. Always good things happen when you close above it, and bad things happen when you close below it, above it, below it, and so on and so forth. Okay, so what do we have here? And I talked about this Bollinger Band and how important it is. Once you establish the pipe formation right here, and it opens up like that, the envelope, it is a sign of volatility. Usually, it could go for each direction. Yet I was bullish and still am because of first the MACD and the RSI over 50, and the slope of the 10 and 20 moving averages. So everything was going for the dollar, as I tweeted and as I stated that in the video. Okay, good deal. So what's new today? Also, a finding that I found in the past, every time since 2020, since a very long time, but I made it simple at this time. I said since 2020, every time you have a positive divergence between the price action and stochastic, you confirm that with a bullish crossover in the MACD, great things happen in the VIX price action. See, seeing's believing. See. It happened down, what's the percentage? 100% of the time. It's not 90, it's not 80, it's 100% every time. Positive. Signal. Wait, and boom. Now we have positive. And signal. Whoa. It might not happen this time, but if it doesn't, it's going to be the first time for a very long time. So the probability is in our side where the VIX go up. And I'm thinking now, there's some positive correlation between not the VIX, okay, negative correlation between the market and the dollar. And there's positive correlation between, negative correlation between the market and the dollar. And as a result of that, if volatility hits, market go down, the dollar go up. Capiche? So am I making this up? Absolutely not. You could go back to the video and you could review what I said. Please like if you like, subscribe and share. Please like if you really want me to upload this. Please like. Please don't be stingy. Please think about yourself. If you're selfish, if you only think about yourself and you don't care what people do, just to give free stuff, think about yourself and like, please, and share so I can upload more. You selfish, you know what? Okay, guys, I hope you're gonna be okay. And disco, remember that disco is forever.